যৌবন বয়সে বহুবার গেছেন জগন্নাথ মন্দির। এবার ঘটনা হলো বয়স হয়ে গেছে, এখন শরীর অপারগ, টাকা আছে, বেশি বাজেট করা যাবে না, কম বাজেটের মধ্যে, তারপর রিজার্ভেশন টিকিট, তারপরে বহু রকম প্রেশার, বাড়ির লোক ছাড়বে না দূরে। তার জন্য কিন্তু সহজ রাস্তা হলো দীঘাতে এই জগন্নাথ মন্দির। And we are really grateful and it's our privilege to the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And it's really cheap and best tourist place, Digha. And Digha such a place only for the sea beach. No, it's now not only sea beach. You can visit Puri temple. It's alternative Puri temple at Digha. So enjoy yourself rest of the life near Digha Jagannath temple. Those are watching our video first time, try to subscribe our channel. You can get number of shelter for senior citizen or physically unable, either disabled people. They can get the 24 hours AYA nurse doctor facility in our channel. So called, first of all you subscribe. No need to share with your friend circle. You just subscribe, you will get the notification. All the first video you will get it. When we'll upload to the videos, you will get it first time. So called, no need to wait for others, no need to wait for your relatives. You just subscribe yourself. That will be best for you. And next one, that if you are a senior citizen, if you want to get your 24 hours AYA nurses facility in our channel, you will get it. And next one, that if you are interested to come physically unable, we are ready to give you the best quality service for you. Thank you everybody.